I tell you what. Yeah, I hate to say it. I'm not liking that at all. It's like, way to go, PA. It's like, way to go, PA, on that one. Look at this. I tell you what, when they say the tar and chip damages vehicles, I think it does. Holy crap. I tell you, this is ridiculous. And that's a good one there, PA. I mean, jeez. Holy crap. Like I said, I tell you what. That's a good one there. Jesus. Wow. It's like all the way up here. You see, it's like all the way up here. Yeah, it's like gravel all the way up here. I mean, I think you see that. It's like all the way up here. That's a freaking mess. Tell you what. It's like gravel and it's like all the way up here. I tell you, that's a freaking mess. Oh. I'll tell you what, unbelievable. I think it should say, Yuns shot slow down for tar and chipped PA roads.